Hello guys, so we're doing Minecraft for today. Yeah, this is my first vlog on Minecraft. I'm gonna show you Donut SMP. You can play this, and this is a good game. For the newcomers, you can you can do the sugarcane method. Yeah, you can do sugarcane method. So yeah, so it's just easy to play. Sugarcane method is so powerful. Yeah, sugarcane method is so powerful. It grows naturally everywhere, but it's hard to find. And I'ma tell you the chat that you can type. First, uh, you can see and you can love this local thing. You can buy anything right there, like that. Yeah, you can buy anything that you want. Recently listed. Yeah, you can buy anything. No, I could buy this. There you go. See? And that. Yeah, one bro. That's right, yeah. And you can do shop if you just want you can get a ender chest, ender pearl, and stone, dragon bread, and rod, with chorus, pop chorus fruit, shulker shell, and you can get shulker box. And this is, yeah, you can get anything from this. Like this, gear shop. You can get this for PvP. You can get this for PvP like this. Get that. And by the way, you can minus this. Yeah, like that. And you can add 10. You can minus. You can add 1. Yeah, so yeah, you can just do that like that. Just easy to play. Just go like that. If you want to set home, just do like this. You just do like that if you want to set home and do this. Let's do it again. If you have a team, and you can check the team also. Yeah, and you can also you can see the home, and you can delete it. Just this, you can delete it. That's why. And you can do duel if you want to duel someone. Yeah, this is so powerful. And I'm building something. Help me build this. By the way, guys, this is Bedrock. I'm just gonna show you the link in the comment section, bro. I'll show you it. By the way, guys, You can join in this Java, uh, Bedrock, but this is not a crack. Yeah, so the crack player can join. But if you want to start and you don't know how to make money and you don't want the correct name, you want the fastest way to get money, just try to find bases. And you can just build a automatic farm, yeah, and you can do a dried, dried, dried block. And by the way, you can sell something in this thing like this. I'm gonna sell one of this. You can get money. For shards, you kill a player and you get 10 shards. Oh, you're just gonna do like this, AFK. So when you're AFK, just keep it to a random location and for 1 minute equals 1 shard. Yeah, so I can buy and you can buy in the shop. Just go in the shop and look for this card shop. You can buy a cow. It depends on your cards how many. But I don't have so many cards so I can buy. By the way guys, um if you buy spawners you can get I think in a 1 minute you can get I have a pig so I think in 1 minute you can get to one pig and you can just AFK there and if you don't sell it or cook it before sell it or you can just eat it. Yeah, you can just eat it and yeah. And if you want more money to sell, just do like this, orders, and this where you wanna type something. Yeah, when you want type something like help, help. Oh, wrong spelling. Help, help. Yeah, there. That you can set it in the most money per item because in this dried kelp block you can earn 750 per each. So dried kelp block is good to get you start on. See that? That's why I had so many money. By the way, guys, you can buy this to John Top Live is selling. He's selling. He's selling maps. Yeah, arts. He's selling map arts for 250k drawn box. Yeah, you can just yeah, and don't mind that. Don't mind that. Uh, don't mind that thing. Don't mind that. It's nothing. It's nothing. Go somewhere. By the way, guys, if you want to um that again. Anyways, it's just easy to get money. Yeah. If you're a newcomer, you should start to get money as fast as possible. So when you had so money, give me. Joke. I'm joking. If you had so many money, you can buy an Elytra. Elytra is around 200 M. Elytra is you can explore so many where. By the way, guys, when you spawn, you're gonna spawn in spawn point. If you want to go in here, just do RTP. Yeah, just do RTP and teleport to overworld, and you can just teleport somewhere. And if you misclick, and when you misclick when you misclick something like that and you don't want to go, just move. See, it cancelled. Yeah, that's the basic tricks I can teach. And bro, oh, what's the outside? No, bro, and underneath. No, yeah, like that. That's the simplest trick. That's the simplest. Yeah, by the way. Ahem. But now I'm building our base. I added him. If you want to go to uh, if you want to go somewhere, yeah, if you want to go somewhere, I like your friend. If your friend's playing, I can just do TP. Yeah, that and whatever the name is, whatever the name is, including the number, space. For example, Mike, and including numbers like that, and including so yeah, just like that. That's the example. Yeah, that's the example. So you can get that. Oh, guys, and if you're new, like and follow to my channel and ring the bell. So if I add new videos, you can watch it early. So you have that. Help me, help me to earn views. So you know, to join Unstable SMP. Yeah, yeah. So like and follow. By the way, guys, when John, when my teammate, uh, when my teammates in stream, bro, where is he? You can just connect to him. It's selling maps for. Yeah, this is the example of the name. It's example of the name. Yeah, So that's the example of the name. And just do it like that. Oh, oh, this is all crap. Oh, sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay, enough. Yeah, that's the simplest way to gain money. And by the way, guys, when you join, you're gonna have a preload, but the preload is chainmail, like that, chainmail. But and yeah, you can just spin it like natural. But this is an easy game, so yeah, why not? Uh, like this guy. This is a 90 for it, so I might get rich there. Deliver and okay. Uh, stop there, there. By the way, guys, I'm just gonna show the link in the end of the video. I'm gonna show you the what again? The IP and the port. The IP for Java and IP and port for the Bedrock. Yeah, like that. And by the way, guys, you can give money to someone you like, just like this. Wait, I'm just gonna sell this. 750 per each. By the way, guys, you can get some money in this. And look how much money am I now. See? So this is the easiest way to get money so fast. I got 600k and I'm gonna sell this. See what's gonna happen. If you want to get some money, guys, you can just build a automatic health farm. So just so you can how many health? I have 4k, 400k on that. Yeah, you can just build it automatic one. And by the way, guys, if you have a blaze rod, just use it in your furnace because blaze rod is so long to burn. Don't mind me. Yeah, just like that. It automatically that again. It bro. Yeah, it automatically boning the farm. How much you guys? I earned 1 million in one go. I earned one. Bro, where's my bed? Yeah. By the way, guys, you can't sleep in this because there's so many players not sleeping. You can just find base. If you're in Java, you can just use that called again chart. Yeah, you can just use charts to locate base so quickly. By the way, chart is so good when finding bases but the chart is so complicated because uh you can what? By the way, guys, if you try to X-ray in here, you can't, bro. This is this is as a anti-X-ray. I tried to X-ray before, but I can't. It has a anti-X-ray. Yeah, it has anti-X-ray, so I can't really X-ray. Yeah, I can't really X-ray. Uh, by the way, guys, you can just do a automatic sugarcane farm like this. Where's my piston? Piston, yeah. Where's my? By the way, guys, you can choose whatever you like that redstone. And it automatically bring you in redstone, bro. Wait, guys, wait a minute. There. Choose the smallest to pay, and you can just do this, guys. If you don't have the time to get this because you are doing something, you can just do this. Observer is facing like here, the observer facing here, and that you get like that, see, and you can when it's full, this what happens. It automatically breaks the sugar cane, but not all. You can't break all like that. See, this is the easiest way to get that, to get so many money big, because this is not too complicated. Yeah, this is not too complicated. It's just easy to make, and they say you harder you make, the more money you, the more the more harder you do, the more money you get. That's true, guys. If you don't have enough money, chat me, guys, and chat me, and I'll let you know. See, like that. Yeah, see, just like that, you can make your own. This is easy to make, not hard. If you imagining this is hard, well, this is so easy. Just do what I was doing, so you know it, like that, like that, that, that thing, down, that, 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 and then on the top right here, you can paste the observer right there, like that. Whenever the sugar cane grows, that that's what happened. So you can just build a wait, what? You can just build it like this. Yeah, you can just make it like this. By the way, what happened to my little farm? Bro, like that and this. That's so if whenever something falls in here, goes right here. And if you want to say more space, do this. There. Now you had a double chest. So whenever this chest has, it goes right in here, to here, to here. Yeah, that's what happened. So yeah, I just told you, easy money. That's why I earned so many money that so many that I can count. I cannot count the money because too many. Observer is here. I know. The piston is here and the observer is here. It's like that. That the door is here. Bro, I'm not gonna show you the bedrock, guys. If you ever ask me, I'm gonna block this thing away in here, go in here, there. There's the staircase, and there, there, Yeah, guys. Told you. Easy money. Just easy money to get. Wait, my shulker. Where's my shulker? Where did I put it again? Where did I put my shulker again, guys? Do you remember it? It's not on me. Let me check my... Let me check something, guys. Let me see if my best still here. Thank goodness. Wait. What? Someone's been here. Bro! My loot! I'm not never gonna trust this again. Why, bro? Why? Why did this happen to me, bro? Why did this happen to me? And why does it... And how does he know there's a hole there? And how does he know there's a hole in there? Because of this? What does he know? He's using X-ray. Whatever it is. Using X-ray, bro. Who the heck is that? Oh, it's just a starter. Where the hell is bait at? If I ever find you out, bro. Whoever you are. Whoever you are. Bring back my ammo. Bring it to me, bro. joking. And the armor too, bro. Bro, it cost 1,000,000. Bro, it cost me 1,000,000. The hell, bro? I shouldn't do that, bro. Hate it. I hate it. Heck. Bro, my hard work pays up for nothing. Bro, my hard work pays up for nothing. Why? Bro. Why? Why? Why, bro? Why? God, bro. Gone here. Gone here. I think it's based somewhere here. Bro. Bro. My God, bro. Whoever you are, bro. Give me back my armor. This is it for today's video, guys. Um, let's see in the other videos. Yeah, man. Just gonna rebuild this and yeah, good something, guys. Bye bye, you guys. See you in the other videos.